BFMP is an industry expert with over 30 years of experience in marine engineering. We provide feasibility analysis, customized design, the whole process of shore power turnkey project, from equipment supply to installation and commissioning. The core solution covers high, low voltage, shore-based, variable frequency power supply systems, intelligent cable management system, ship shore connection box, and shipboard control equipment. Perfect fit for container terminals, bulk cargo terminal, multiple scenarios such as cruise, home ports, and LNG terminals. Our systems adhere to IEEE, ISO IEEE 80001-1 international standards, support 50 Hz, 60 Hz intelligent frequency conversion, certified by major classification societies such as DMV, LR, ABS, CCS, etc. So far, 60+ ship renovation and 20+ port shore power construction projects have been completed around the world, helping ports achieve zero-emission, low-noise operation. Reduce docking fuel costs by up to 50% for Let's sailing together towards a sustainable shipping future.